Hey YouTubers, today I'm out here working on the 1999 Toyota Tacoma that I picked up recently from a friend of mine, and the issue we're dealing with today is a P0420 code coming from the ODB-II system. It's kicking that on, and honestly I do not know for sure what's causing it right now, and so I'm kind of going through a process of elimination on it. But as I do this, I'm going to upload videos and just to give you ideas on what may cause this, and maybe prompt you to investigate some things on your truck. This does seem to be a kind of a common problem on a lot of vehicles, but if you do research on these Tacomas, it seems to be very, very common. These are awesome trucks, great trucks, well built. This is just, every vehicle has its little quirks and flaws. So today, what I did was I pulled the catalytic converter off underneath the truck, and I replaced the gaskets on there. Now you can get gaskets from an AutoZone or O'Reilly's, Advanced Auto Parts, but bear in mind that what you get from those places is nothing like what you get from the dealer. It's not even close to being the same part. The ones at your AutoZone would be $3 to $5 a piece. One from the manufacturer, from Toyota, is going to be about $25 per gasket. And I'm going to show you the condition of the original gaskets. I didn't film the new ones, but you can just imagine that they look like this, only new. So here's the new gasket. I'm sorry, the old gasket. We can get some focus going here. I don't know if I can get to focus or not. Alright. And let me bring it over here. In better contrast, we'll get better focus. Okay, so as you can see there, this gasket has lost a lot of the filler material, and I'm assuming that's probably asbestos. I could be wrong. It could be fiberglass, but it looks like asbestos. And what happens when this happens is that your catalytic converter will suck in air. Either force out around this, or it'll suck it in, throwing off the sensor readings on the post-cat O2 sensor. So this one was on the upstream side, much better condition. The downstream side, not so good. So that would be, this gasket would have been right in front of the last O2 sensor, the downstream O2 sensor. So I've replaced these first, and we're going to see if that has any effect on that code going away or staying. I did check the catalytic converter while I had it out, and of course you can't really tell by the looks always, but the catalytic converter itself looks like it's in fantastic condition. I mean, just great condition. So I have a hard time believing that that's the problem, but we'll see. It could be this, could be the sensor itself, could be the cat, could even be something with the engine mixture causing the problem, but we're going to go item by item and address things that are obviously problems, and this is obviously a problem. I'd rather replace a $40 gasket before I get to $100 and some oxygen sensor, and then a $1,000 catalytic converter. So we go by the order of the cheapest things first, just common sense. So this is the first thing, and if it solves it, I will make sure that I note in the comments whether it solved it or not. Of course, you've got to give it a few days where I'll know or not. And if not, then you'll see another video coming soon of the next item that we'll address in this process. So thanks for watching, and subscribe. I do a lot of weird different things. Sometimes I'm looking at cars, sometimes I'm looking at computers, sometimes looking at air conditioners. This is just general computers, general maintenance of old systems of any type. So thanks for watching, and like I said, please subscribe. Thank you.